Are you tired of feeling fatigued and sluggish every day? What if I told you there's a simple way to boost your energy levels and overall well-being? Many people struggle with low energy, brain fog, and feeling out of balance. You might have tried various diets, energy drinks, or even herbal remedies, but nothing seems to work long-term. It's frustrating when you're searching for a solution that actually delivers results. The truth is, DIY fixes often fall short because they lack the right combination of ingredients or they just mask the problem. You need something formulated by experts to address your needs effectively. That's where Gold Align comes in. Gold Align is a unique supplement designed to support your energy and mental clarity. What sets it apart is its blend of high-quality ingredients that work synergistically to enhance your daily vitality. This isn't just another generic supplement, it's crafted to help you feel your best. In a recent study, users reported